G'day everyone, Buck up in North Queensland at the Townsville Outdoor Show Expo, whatever it's called. And I'm here with Shane from a franchise I didn't know existed, and it's Jim's. Jim does franchises on just about everything. You're our next door neighbour at the show, mate, and I didn't even know Jim's did tyre fitting and all that. So, mate, you're the local Townsville lad. You've got the franchise for Jim's Tyres.
Yeah.
Tell us a bit about it, and then we'll let everyone know a bit about Chris himself, because he's got a bit of a special deal going for Townsville. But mate, how did you, Jim's tyre fitting, how did you get into that? I didn't even know it existed, to tell you the truth.
Yeah, no, I was just, I was a boilermaker for a couple of years, and I just kind of got sick of the whole grind. It was dusty, dangerous work. It's just get a bit, you know, hit on your lungs, and you got a cough, and I said, I want to change up my career a bit, you know, to do something completely different. I thought, like, what does everyone need? Tyres. Everyone's driving on the road, obviously. So I just looked around, and Jim's was the first one that popped up, and it's been awesome so far. So we started in December of last year, but yeah, it's going strong. It's not too bad in Townsville. It's slowed down a bit because the diesel price has gone up, like everyone has. But yeah, not so bad so far. So as you see in the vehicle, I can fit tyres, balance, rotate, puncture repairs, you name it. The only thing I can't do is wheel alignments, but I have a couple of people I trust, and I kind of send off my clients to them. But so far, not so good. Really enjoying the process. Got lots of good training. Was up in Brizzy for 3 weeks learning the trade. And it was awesome. My teacher there, Russell, really good bloke, and like Chris, my franchisor, helped me big time. So it's been really, really good so far.
How long's Jim's been into the tyre fitting, mate? Like I just don't see it up where I live. That's all.
Yeah, no, it was started off in Melbourne by a fella called Chris Deering. And it was, I think it's, I'm not 100% on that, but I think it's about 7 years so far. So they're mainly in the bigger cities, like your Melbourne, Sydney's, all that kind of crack. I'm the furthest north, I think, so far. I don't know what the plans for down or anything like that. I think they're trying to get cans and stuff as well. But yeah, no, it's been around a while. Like Jim's does everything. Like there's Jim's Bouncy Castles, Jim's life coaching, actually. But yeah, the Jim's does, I think there's 50 different franchises. As long as it's mobile, Jim does it. Which is awesome,
Oh, well. Mate, if I, say my BT50 4-wheel drive, if I want a set of tyres, can I pick the type of tyre that I want fitted, or do you have a certain brand that you deal with? Or how does that work? If I want to get a new set of shoes on my BT50, I ring you, what's the process?
Well, I'm not beholden to anybody, so I can just go to a wholesaler and get whatever tyre you want, essentially. I usually, what I do is I'll put 3 tyres. I go budget, mid-range, and what you call it, like the best tyre.
The top of the line.
Top of the line. So I give you that option. So I've a couple of wholesalers around town. Some are a bit tricky. Some you have to go, like especially your low profiles and stuff like that. I might have to go to get them delivered from Brisbane, but usually only takes about 2 or 3 weeks. Oh no, at the most 2 or 3 weeks. Usually get by Thursday.
Oh, that's good, mate. So I know it's a pain. If you want to get your tyres fitted, usually you've got to drop your car off at the thing, and then you've got to work out how to get to work and all that type of stuff. This could be a really good option, especially if you live in the city and that. You can come to someone's house or their workplace to do it, mate.
100%. So like, with I'm talking to a few tradies around here. The time is money. Like you to go to, I'm not going to say the name of the stores, or you go to wherever, it's going to take you maybe an hour and a half, if you're lucky, an hour and a half waiting around, where you could be making your money. And especially like mums as well, mums that have kids, they don't want to shift like 3 or 4 kids into a car, go to a tyre fitting place, wait for an hour and a half to get the tyres done, where you could be sitting at home, having your coffee, having your beer, whatever you want, and relaxing, and I knock your door, go, job's done, and then off your way.
Wow, that's fantastic. What I might do is take the camera off Robin, have a quick look at this gear in there, and then we'll talk about a couple of the special things you've got going for the guys in Townsville, eh?
Cool, no worries.
So my apologies, mate. I asked Robin what your name was before I came over, and she says it's Shane. And I still called you Chris.
So
sorry, Shane.
I'm stop you about that, then we'll carry on.
Sorry, mate, that's me. That's what happens when you get old, mate. You forget everyone's name. So it's Shane, everyone, from Jim's Tyres. So this is your van here, mate. Is it your van, or does Jim supply, do you have to buy the van? How's the franchise work? If someone wanted to get into this in Cairns or Darwin, they obviously get onto the Jim's franchise, but the equipment and that, do you buy it yourself or is it part of the franchise business when you set it up?
Yeah, it's part of the franchise business, so you can pick what van you want. I went for the LDV. I think it's great value for what it is. If I went for Mercedes, I'm an extra 30 grand, but it's great. Like you see, I can stand up here. I'm not a super tall bloke, but I'm about 5'10", so anyone like 6 foot and above probably no problem.
Yeah.
But Jim's, he actually fit this whole rig up in Melbourne. I actually drove this all the way from Melbourne to Townsville, a couple of days, so it was a big journey. Well worth it. But yeah, I have the LDV van. That's what most of the lads are going around, but there's a couple of lads that come to Vecos and whatever you want. It's up to you. The van is 100% up to you. But this one works out for me. And all this stuff gets fitted. It gets fitted by Chris Deering up in Melbourne. He does all himself, him and his brother-in-law.
Yeah.
So we have the Jenny back there, air compressor, a couple of jacks, and the tyre fitting out rig. And I'll just take this apart.
So that stays in the van, mate?
Stays in the van, 100%, yeah. Yeah, we have all itself. So we do anything from the smallest carrier, 13-inch rim, to anything, or like trailer tyre, anything to 3-ton truck, essentially. So like the moving vehicles and that. So we can fit that no problem now. So
you can do a 35-inch for a 4-wheel drive or whatever?
Yeah, 4-wheel drive, no problem with 4-wheel drive. We do any 4-wheel drive. The other week I had a 305, 75, 20 rim, and it can fit in this balance machine. And there's again the balance machine. It looks pretty snug and tight, but actually that is surprising how big the tyres can fit in this thing.
Yeah, right.
Awesome. Yeah, so we do a lot of balance in here. We didn't mention it before, but I do free rotational balance for defence members and veterans as well. And that's because for me, actually, as I mentioned, I've been ex-army as well. Ramey, anyone who knows Ramey, who knows Rabies. But yeah, it's something service I like to provide to people here. And it's worked out well. Not a lot. People think it's a bit of a scam, I think, because there's no such thing as a free lunch. But for me, it's 100% free, no call-out fees. I come to your door, do a balance. It doesn't take me very long. It doesn't cost me $1 all up in weights, not even, I don't think. And I'm in and out the door at about half an hour. I do 2 per customer as well, so if you 2 wagons in your house, no problem doing that.
Yeah, good stuff, mate. And going by your accent, you came over from Ireland how long ago?
I am here 14 years now. Oh no, maybe not 15. It's hard to tell. Like, I'm getting old. I can't remember stuff either too. Yeah. I came over here when I was 23. The recession I was pretty bad, so coming here for work. And I've been working ever since. So yeah.
And joined the Aussie Army, mate.
Yeah, joined the Aussie Army. Did that. I was practically off the boat and nearly in the army essentially. I think I was like a year and a half when I actually joined the army. I thought it was a great experience, like a great thing, and it ended up being awesome. 7 years. It's funny, I started as a SIG, then quickly transitioned into Ramey, thank God. We got into Ramey, and so I was Ramey for about 6 years. In Tree Sisby up in Townsville. Got deployed overseas, did a bit mostly in Namab in Dubai. Yeah. And then we got shipped in and out of like Afghanistan and Iraq and that kind of stuff.
Oh, good on you, mate. Thanks for your service.
Oh, thank you, mate. And, thank you for your service too, mate.
That's especially coming over from a foreign country and joining the Aussie Army, and you're obviously passionate about it.
Yeah, 100%.
And Townsville, as we know, is a garrison city, a lot of veterans, and that's why I wanted to do this, mate, is I know a lot of boys that watch from Townsville and that are veterans, and it might be good to get on and promote your business because you get on and support the veterans and the army lads and the service people around town. So absolutely fantastic, mate. How long does it take to set a set of 4 tyres? About less than an hour and a half.
Yeah, less than an hour and a half. It all depends. So like your bigger vehicles will be like a bit of a chore to lift them. Obviously your bigger tyres and that. But like little Kias and stuff, I'm taking about 45 minutes easy. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Mate, that's great. I can just see for a busy person who's got to go to work or can say, hey, listen, I've got to be at work. Can you come and do my tyres at work? And that way you knock off work, you got a new set of rubber on your thing. FPOS, all that type of stuff,
FPOS,
mate.
FPOS and afterpay. And funny enough, I'm quite competitive as well, you know. Depending on the tyre, so I run it as, doesn't matter what car you have. You have a Ferrari, you have a little Kia. I charge the same price. It's just the tyres dictate the actual price at the end of it, So
you're not charging a Ferrari owner more because they own a Ferrari type thing?
No, I don't believe in that kind of crack at all. Like, I'm fair with that. It's just depending on the tyre. So some tyres are like, I can get a tyre for $50 or I can get a tyre for $600, depending on what you want to do. people ring me up and ask me, can you quote me straight away? And I was like, it's pretty hard. There's a very wide range of prices here. So I usually get the phone call within 10 minutes. I can usually send the quote in pretty quick.
Yeah. Oh, good stuff, mate. Yeah. How do people get on? Well, one to you or to another Jim's tyre franchise, say in Sydney or Melbourne. How do they contact you, mate?
Well, it's pretty easy. Well, you can Google it pretty quickly. It's really simple. The Jim's mobile, I don't have it on me, I can't remember, sorry. But the Jim's mobile, the Jim's phone, they connect all the gyms up. So the same number that's inside my van, you'll be able to ring Jim's phone or whatever you want. Yeah. My mobile phone number, it's on my Facebook page.
Yes.
So if you type in Jim's Mobile Tyres Townsville, usually the Facebook page will come up after the Google thing, and it's pretty easy to find the number. I don't know if you want to add it in the comments, whatever. Yeah,
I will, mate. I'll put that at the end of the video for sure.
100%. I actually don't even know it yet. I'm still getting used to that number. But yeah, you can contact me there. It's pretty easy. And I work 7 to 7 days a week.
Oh wow, 7 days a week, 12 hours a day, mate.
Yeah.
Wow, even more reason to get in and support you, mate. You're doing the hard yards and you're bloody doing a hard job. So Russ, if you're watching, mate, tell all the boys out at the prison, all the screws, get in and support Shane and his little business. And you could even probably go out and fit a set of tyres in the car park out at the prison for one of the prison officers, mate. 100%. You can, as long as it's flat and a safe area to work, you can fit the tyres for them.
Yeah, I've done side of highways. I did one the other day. It's near Ingham, and trucks are rushing by. It's a bit scary when the truck starts moving. Yeah. But I can fit them anywhere essentially. So I get a lot of puncture repairs out that neck of the woods as well. So yeah, no, more than happy to help out.
So if someone does get a blowout or a puncture on the side of the road, you can assist with that too, can you? Or
100%, yeah. 100%.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
well, there you go.
Anywhere there's a semi-flat surface, even if it's up a hill or whatever, I can sort it out. Yeah. That's what all the chocks and stuff are for anyway. So yeah, easy enough.
Good stuff, mate. Well, thanks for showing us through. This is a great little business. I didn't know Jim's had a tyre fitting business, so that's why I did this. I want to let people know. There's probably a lot of people out there that don't know.
Yeah, no, 100%.
That there could be a business like this in their area.
Yeah, it's one of the smaller of the franchises. So obviously mowing is whatever it knows. But definitely this one it's rising. People see the convenience of it. And 100%, if you're interested in something, give Chris a ring. Yeah. Chris's details will be all, you can find that it's not too hard to do up with Jim's Mobile Tyres. But definitely give him a ring, and he'll be more than happy to help you out, because just the dying out for, they're looking for loads of lads coming straight away. Oh, good stuff. As many the better, and get on crew, because I can't credit enough. It's awesome. It's and the lads help you out a lot. If you ring Chris, no problem, he'll help you straight away. You know? I think it's really good.
Oh, good stuff, mate. Well, all the best with it. I hope it works out well for you. Much, and we'll get it up on YouTube and put all the contact details there. And once again, for helping all the veterans around Townsville out, and free balance and a free rotation and balance. Yeah, mate. That's fantastic. I do it myself in the shed, and it takes me a while with a trolley jack, but I'm sure you bloody knock that over in no time at all.
Well, I've all the equipment all there, so it's easy for me to do. So like, it's the rotation is easy, but anyone can do the rotation. It's the balance bit, which is the tricky one. Yes. So that's more than happy to help you out, and it costs me not very much money at all to do that. Yeah. So yeah, happy to help out, lads. And the 2 per customer, and even if it's 3, we'll probably with those 2 for 3 anyway. Yeah. But yeah, more than happy to help everyone out, and it's just my little way of saying thank you to the veterans. And we'll also, I'm started today, we're actually extended to, because you're an ex-prison guard and ex-cop, we're actually extended to prison guards and cops as well. Oh mate, absolutely fantastic. No worries. all the Townsville coppers and Townsville prison screws, get in, support Shane and his business. Yeah. And mate, I'm sure they'll be, when they need a new set of tyres, I'm sure they'll be bloody giving you a call and getting you to come over and knock the tyres up for them as well. Mate, all the best with it. Thanks for doing the video with me. Yep. And we'll put all the contact details at the end, eh? Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate. Good on you.